Welcome to Homewares again. I'm putting these little clips in. Put the arrow and opening down where the bolt comes up. I'm not sure exactly what they're called. Put it in the comments if you know what they're called. Tighten it up. That's pretty well it. There we go. The glue will help it set. Those plugs go in here, help hold it together. These little screw bolt things. As I say, I've got no idea what they're called. If you know, mention in the comments for me. Screw them in, make sure they're straight. And they'll go into there and you put a little bolt